Hi, PE students. Happy week 25 of Phi Ed and of the school year. It's going very, very fast. We're only a couple of weeks away from spring break already, which is insane. A couple of reminders that we will continue to be outside for Phi Ed, either doing broom ball. We might possibly could do snowshoeing, but more than likely it will be broom ball leading up to spring break. So just continue. If you're a hybrid learner, when you come into the building for Phi Ed, make sure that you have appropriate clothing so that you can stay warm when we're outside. The code for this week, I want you to tell me the best gift or the best present you've ever received. You got to tell me what it was, who gave it to you, and why they gave it to you. Like if it was for your birthday or for a holiday or something like that. So you got to tell me what the present was, who got you the present, and what they got you the present for. Those three things, that's the secret code for this week. As always, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, enjoy being active. Bye!